Hey Jammers, it's BunnyGo12 here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing the updates, but before I get started with the diamond animal and the diamond star, because they're a diamond myself, so you guys are going to, so my reaction of the ghost is going to be very real, as all my animals that I adopt on video. Sorry, the transition is a little slow. So the leap year party is coming up because this year is a leap year. If you guys don't know, leap years happen every 4 years. So a leap year happened when I joined AJ, but it was too late. Amazon story and tag video. You would have known that. I've seen videos of the leap year party from 2012, but I've never been to it since I joined in December. Let's go down to the next page. Sorry, laggy. So, on not January, sorry. On February 27th, it is International Polar Bear Day. So, apparently there's a special polar bear item in the North and South Pole and Alaska, because they only can survive in cold places since they're a really animal, kind of. I don't know how to explain it. So I am gonna stop saying so all the time. So, oh my gosh, others are coming back to Jamal. The others are coming back to Jamal very soon. They did not say when, but I'm guessing it's gonna be like, how to say, to the next update the others will arrive. But also we have the Falcons. Wonderful, but whatever. We also have another animal coming to tomorrow, so I'm not sure when. Most likely the next update or the update after that. I'm not sure though. And as always, as for all the new animals that came to tomorrow, there's a mini book about the goats, and I believe there'll be a quiz in it. I'm gonna check very quick because I forgot to check that. I checked everything else, but I did not check the mini book. I don't know why. I guess I forgot. And as I spoiled in the last page, the winner of that voting is the Falcons. So they will be coming to tomorrow very soon. Probably next update. So this is just a reminder about the chatting in Jamal, and they were just saying like the chatting has been a great success. And if you want to add more new words, just click on this purple button where my mouse is. So Amazon can look to it and maybe add it. The Lucky Party is coming up very soon. It will be in March. But we already got the Lucky Party demograms, which I'm gonna show. I'm really lazy about about showing the demograms. I should, but I keep forgetting. Sorry, guys. And since there are a lot of pets in Jamal, Amazon has updated how many pets members can adopt. I kind of get this. Well, yeah, I get this for the den item, the den slot, and the pest the den slot, because I don't think because now members only get like a small den, even though they can have a mini small dens if they want. I don't think they will need over 200 den slots. And pets, there's only 2 pets no, not 2, 3 pets. 4 pets if you count the kangaroo, but you can adopt it in Amazon. You have to download the app called AJ Jump, which I don't have. That's the only app from Amazon I don't have because it costs money. And If I can, if I remember. No promises. I'm pretty busy with school, so I forget a lot of things. Let's adopt a... Wait, no, let's check the save of knowledge first. I'm gonna... No, I should not... Okay, here. Animals. That's how I notice, I just do. And they have those signs. Let's check. Question. Okay, so these are the answers. And then the prize is a good trophy. Okay, now let's see what else. Okay, that's which we are traveling. Leapy I can so this is such information. Just information. No. Oh, that. Okay, so. Oh my god, why is my computer laggy? It's just so laggy when I'm recording. I don't know why. See, there's like a million pets. I don't know how many there are. 44. I was like, I don't know how many there are. Then I looked at, I'm like, oh, that feels stupid. Okay, and also they changed the name tag a little bit. And before I get the gold, I want to show you the Zamox. Just these three, and I don't know when this came out, but it did. Whatever, I'll figure it out someday. And speaking of Emily, she's on AJ right now. Her laugh is she randomly pops in my video again, and I would laugh so hard, and yeah. Okay, hold on. Wait, what? What am I doing? Okay, let's just go. So, also if you have noticed the not member name tags, the color one's not the not members, but they changed the color a little bit, and in my opinion, I don't like how they look. It's just my opinion. I'm not trying to discourage AJ or anything. It's just in my opinion, because I love pink, and I think the pink name tag looks good with all my animals. It's just I don't like the pink name tag. I tried the purple, but it still didn't look good with most of my animals, because most of my animals have some kind of pink on it. Like, whether it's the clothing or the fur. Why did I say floor? Whatever. Okay, I'm gonna start questioning myself. Okay, so, before I get the code, I got 3 diamonds on a daily spin today and yesterday, and I got 10 more diamonds since I got 2 in my membership to add on to my membership. So yeah, so I'm gonna have 66 diamonds now. Stop buddying me. Don't mind buddy me, good stuff. If you guys want to buddy me, if you guys are trying to buddy me, just leave it down in the comments, because I don't like buddying random people. I just don't. I don't mind buddying you guys, but I just don't like buddying randomly people that... Okay, so this is my goat. It looks kind of smaller than I expected. Look, the Arctic. Oh my gosh, don't stand on me. Who do you think you are? Okay, I'll stop. So, look, look how small I am. I wish I can stand next to a bunny and see, to compare that. But, at last, I can't. Right now. Okay, so I'm going to my den, decorate it, and then I'll show you guys the accent. So I'll see you guys in a minute. And oh my god! How told you? I knew you were coming. I don't know why I laugh anymore. She's surprised. She looks so happy. Okay, so I'll meet you guys after I finish decorating my goat. My god, doesn't he look so cute? Oh my god, I want to change the eye color. Sorry guys, I don't think black looks good. Yeah. So I can have a little of that pink in there. Okay, so this is it. Okay, that's it. Those are it. Let's dance. Yes, I'm asking my buddies if they like the goat while I am dancing. Okay, that's dance. Sorry. This is sleep. Oh, it looks so cute. It looks very similar to, I think it looks similar to the llamas. I'm not 100% sure because I don't have a llama of my own. I like cats and watches. Okay, that was random. Okay, sorry. I was talking off track. Used to see me at school, whenever I am sitting with one of my friends, we'll be talking like so much, it's not even funny. Okay, sorry. So that's sleep. This is hop. Oh, it looks so cute. And lastly, it's play. Oh, it has its own trampoline like it did in the video. Oh, the goat looks so cute. Bounce, bounce, bounce. I'm gonna start typing it. This for a reason. Bounce, 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 bounce. Okay. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!